Hi, we're just having a look at converting units of length, area and volume. This is metric conversions. I've drawn an outline of a cube here. You can see the front face I've marked as 1 centimetre squared. So the first thing to look at is converting centimetres to millimetres. So in terms of length, we know that 1 centimetre gives us 10 millimetres. So each side of this cube, if you imagine the cube, is 10 millimetres long. And because in centimetres that's 1 times 1 times 1, so you've got 1 centimetre, 1 square centimetre on the front, and 1 cubic centimetre is the volume. In converting that to millimetres, length we can just write as times 10. Area, because it's times 10 in two directions, becomes times 10 times 10, which I'm going to write as times 10 squared. And volume is times 10 times 10 times 10 in the 3 dimensions, which I'm going to write as times 10 cubed. Now to illustrate the next one, metres to centimetres, what I'm going to do is remove those units. And so now I can mark on, I've got a line or a square or a cube, and each edge is 1 metre long, and in centimetres we can convert that to 100. So 100 centimetres along each edge. So if I come down to the table, converting length from metres to centimetres, I multiply by 100. To convert area, I'm going to do 100 multiplied by 100 again, so I'm going to write 100 squared. And volume would be 100 times 100 times 100, which is 100 cubed. And finally, from converting metres to millimetres. So now each metre is worth 1,000 millimetres. So I'm going to go and mark the zeros on those 3 edges. So now converting length, I can write as times 1,000 to convert metres to millimetres. To convert square metres to square millimetres, I'm going to do that twice. So times 1,000 times 1,000, which is 1,000 squared. And for volume, it happens 3 times. So I'm going to multiply by 1,000 cubed. So now if I'm going to scroll down a little bit, I'm going to show you the 3 sections taken directly from our textbook. Let me just select the highlighter. And if you look at the top one, we've got length. The second box is units of area, and the third one is volume, which includes volume in cubic metres and also litres, which are closely related, but you won't see the cube in there. So if you look at the right-hand column here, you can see centimetres to millimetres we multiplied by 10. Looking straight down, to convert area we got 10 squared, and to convert volume we got 10 cubed. If you look at the second column, we've got metres to centimetres in distance or length, we multiplied by 100. In area we multiplied by 100 squared, and in volume we multiplied by 100 cubed. And finally, kilometres to metres, which is exactly the same as metres to millimetres, we multiplied by 1,000 for length, 1,000 squared for area, and 1,000 cubed for volume. Now if you look at the bottom, the final section on the bottom is capacity.